Is your PC tower a dust magnet on the floor? Or worse, a giant paperweight hogging precious real estate on your desk? What if there was a simple, elegant solution to not only reclaim your workspace, but also give your computer a much-needed elevation? This desktop PC hanging mount bracket promises to do just that. And honestly, it delivers a surprisingly impactful upgrade to any setup. Right out of the box, you can tell this isn't some flimsy accessory. Crafted from durable metal, it feels incredibly solid, giving you immediate confidence in its ability to securely hold your valuable PC. The design is straightforward yet brilliant. It's an underdesk CPU holder that literally lifts your computer off the ground. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about practicality. Think about all that dust and pet hair that accumulates on the floor. Now your PC is elevated, significantly reducing the amount of grime it sucks in, potentially extending its lifespan and keeping it running cooler. One of the standout features has to be its versatility. The adjustable clamps are incredibly accommodating, designed to fit a wide range of CPU widths. This means whether you have a slim office tower or a beefier gaming rig, chances are this mount can handle it. And for peace of mind, it boasts double-layer protection, ensuring your computer stays securely in place, guarding against any accidental bumps or falls. That's a huge relief, especially if you've ever worried about kicking your tower under the desk. For anyone who values a clean, efficient workspace, whether you're a home user battling clutter, an office worker striving for professionalism, or a gamer needing every inch of desk space for peripherals, this bracket is a game changer. Imagine the extra legroom you gain, the clear desk surface for monitors, keyboards, and notebooks. It transforms cramped home offices, busy corporate environments, and even high-traffic internet cafes by maximizing desk space and enhancing overall comfort. It's more than just a holder. It's a practical step towards maintaining an organized workstation. No more tangled cables snaking across the floor, no more bumping your knees against the tower. It just makes everything feel tidier, more intentional. The installation is relatively straightforward, and once it's up, it just blends into the background, quietly doing its job. In conclusion, if you're looking to elevate your PC setup, literally and figuratively, and create a more organized, dust-free, and spacious environment, this desktop PC hanging mount bracket is an amazing solution. It's a small investment that yields significant returns in terms of space efficiency and peace of mind. Highly recommended for anyone ready to upgrade their workspace.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.